If you need to make catfish pepper soup for 15 or more people, this is the perfect catfish pepper soup video for you, because here I'll give you tips on how to make this catfish pepper soup without it breaking, and it will still be tasty. Look at that delicious looking catfish pepper soup. Come with me. So making pepper soup is pretty easy, right? You just put in all your ingredients, put in your meat, and just wait until your meat or fish is tender, right? So how I do this is in a pot of boiling water, or in a pot of water, I put in all the ingredients. And yeah, I like to use blended scent leaf, so that's what I just added, and I'll let that boil. So once it boils, I go in with the head of fish first. So for this we use 3 big fishes, and I put in the head of fish first. I let it cook for 15 minutes before I flipped them, and then I took them out and put into the cooler. So this was for a meeting, and they share it for themselves. So they asked me to put the head of fish in a different cooler and the other parts in a different cooler. So after that, I went in with the other parts of fish. I cooked these 24 pieces in 3 sets, right? And for each set, I re-seasoned it a bit, putting more of the pepper soup spice. You have to be very careful with the salt if you're re-seasoning, because I just re-seasoned with a lot of the pepper soup spices and not necessarily salt and seasoning. So after making the 3 sets, I put everything into the cooler without the water. So the water was set aside. So no matter how big a pot you have, cooking everything in one pot at once may not be the perfect idea. So stay tuned till the end of this video to see the tips written down. Thank you for watching.